Hello, I am CH Lokesh Reddy from CSA section. Today's my topic is sequence of job using deadline and profit using structures. Include studio-h, define maximum numbers 100, type of structure jobs. Left brass, character ID, bracket 5, into deadline, into profit, job, void job sequencing with deadline. Jobs bracket int n semicolon int main value, left parenthesis int x comma int y, right parenthesis left brass x y into semicolon, right brass int main void in left parenthesis right parenthesis left brass double slash variables int I comma j semicolon, jobs 5 equal to left brass right brass j comma 1 comma 2 into 60, right brass left brass j2 comma 1 comma 100, right brass j3 comma 3 20, right brass left brass j4 comma 2 comma 40, right brass j5 comma 1 comma 20, right brass semicolon double slash temp job temp semicolon double slash number of jobs int n is equal to 5 semicolon double slash sort the jobs profit with wise descending order for I is equal to 1 comma I angle bracket open angle bracket n semicolon I plus bracket right left brass for I is equal to 0 comma I open brass n minus I comma j plus left brass if jobs j comma 1 dot profit right brass right angle brass jobs j bracket profit parenthesis left brass 10 is equal to jobs j comma 1 jobs j plus 1 is equal to jobs j bracket jobs I is equal to temp semicolon profit percent 10s slash n quotation job deadline quotation deadline profit parenthesis slash for I is equal to 0 I is open brass I plus bracket left brass print quotations percentage 10s percentage 10i percent 10i slash n comma jobs I dot id comma jobs I deadline comma jobs I profit job sequencing with deadline jobs n comma semicolon return 0 semicolon void job sequencing with deadline bracket jobs into n left brass int I comma j comma k comma maximum profit semicolon double slash free time slot in time slot maximum double slash fill the slot in the int fill time slot is equal to 0 semicolon double slash find the maximum deadline value in dmax is equal to 0 semicolon for I is equal to 0 semicolon I is equal to n semicolon I plus left right parenthesis and left brass if job I is I dot deadline closed angle bracket dmax right parenthesis left brass dmax is equal to job bracket I deadline dot deadline semicolon slash free time slot initial set to -1 bracket -1 denotes empty for I is equal to 1. I is equal to open angle bracket dmax semicolon I plus plus right parenthesis left brace right brace present quotations dmax x percentage d slash n double dmax for I is equal to 1 semicolon I open angle bracket n dash I plus plus while k is closing bracket left parenthesis its time lots k that is equal to -1 right brace left parenthesis filling time slot plus plus semicolon break semicolon k minus minus semicolon double slash if all time slots are filled then stop. If filled time slot is equal to dmax right parenthesis left brace bracket semicolon double slash required job print f bracket left parenthesis slash and required jobs quotations print bracket quotations per percent s comma jobs time slots I bracket id left right parenthesis semicolon if I less than I open angle bracket dmax left parenthesis right parenthesis double slash required profit maximum profit is equal to 0 semicolon from parenthesis I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than I open angle bracket is equal to dmax parenthesis I plus plus bracket left brace maximum profit plus is equal to jobs time lots I bracket dot profit semicolon right brace print f parenthesis quotations slash n max profit percentage d slash n comma maximum profit right brace semicolon right bracket. Thank you for